You might recognise this symbol, Bigtree Tech. Sorry, the shadow of the camera's getting in the way there. I did put a thin connection between the bottom sort of wave and the symbol here, but that's broken. It's very thin. I don't want it too big. I tried printing on a plate in a way, and it didn't come out too well, but that's ironing. I think that's what they call, I had ironing on this, and I think it's spoiled it actually. It does have the word Bigtree Tech at the bottom, hard to make out. I think ironing might be okay if you got a large flat area, but possibly not something like this. To show you the back there, concentric. Quite nice. Gold. But their symbol is red, so I put some red filament in. Now, the only way I can think of sticking this to here, to this control. Oh, by the way, I do not have Bigtree Tech SKR, is it, in here. This is the default control panel in here, so forgive any noise. I think it's a fan of the PSU, actually, that's making a noise. I do have another one on order that I might try fitting, well, will try fitting when it comes. If that works, I'll have to make almost like a tube, I've forgotten what to call them, like a funnel type tube for a bigger fan to blow into it, well, blow out of it or blow into it somehow. Bigger fans are better because they can turn generally slower. So yeah, there's the so I'm going to put these online in a few moments. As I say, I do have a connection only 0.4mm high from the bottom to the top, but unless you're really careful taking it off the bed, that's likely to break off. It did for mine. But you can put them together like this manually, glue them, or you put these onto another model basically. That is the basic idea here.